Are you experiencing missing sound in your iPhone videos, or is your microphone not working at all? Don't sweat it. I'm here to help. In today's video, I'll walk you through some simple and effective solutions to fix that pesky audio issue when recording on your iPhone. So let's jump right into it and get those videos sounding great. Before trying the fixes, check hardware issues. First, open the App Store. Then type in "Check my device." Next, go ahead and install this app. After that, tap to open it. Now, scroll down. Look for the video settings. Open that up. Try recording a video and see if it captures the audio or not. Check what happens. If it fails, that indicates there might be hardware issues. But don't worry, you can still try the following solutions to address the problem. Solution 1. Check the microphone. Make sure your microphone isn't blocked by any dirt or debris. After that, clean the microphone area using a soft, dry brush. Now, try recording a video to see if the sound is back on. Solution 2. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the Settings app again. Tap on Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth off. Now record a video to check if the audio is working. Solution 3. Check microphone permissions. Open the Settings app, then scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap Microphone. Make sure the camera app is allowed to use the microphone. Solution 4. Check iOS updates. Open the Settings app once more. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, tap Download and install. After updating, check if the audio issue is resolved. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will be reset, but don't worry, your data won't be lost. Test the camera's audio after this. So that's how you can tackle the no audio issue when recording videos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in and happy recording.